Here's how to upload high quality photos and videos to your Facebook story. So if you recorded a 4K video or a high quality photo using your phone and now you want to post the high quality or original resolution photos or videos to your Facebook story, just follow this simple step to do it. Open your Facebook app and tap on your profile menu at the bottom right and tap on settings and privacy. Select settings and under preferences section you will get the media option. So tap on media and here you will get the video quality option. So to upload high quality photos and video to Facebook or Facebook story, you have to select here optimized. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.